Elon Musk has immense capabilities, both in visioning and execution. There has never been a time in human history where one man has shaped and reshaped multiple industries within 2 decades. He scaled the electric vehicle sector. He pioneered the private rocket sector. He is drilling via the Boring Company, bringing a new dimension to urban transportation. And now, he wants to remake social media with a generative AI project in Twitter.
Elon Musk and other major tech leaders calling for a pause on giant artificial intelligence experiments. In an open letter, they warned this: AI systems with human competitive intelligence can pose profound risk to society and should be planned for and managed with commensurate care. Unfortunately, this level of planning and management is not happening. Society has hit pause on other technologies with potentially catastrophic effects. Therefore, we call on all AI labs to immediately pause for at least 6 months the training of AI systems.
Elon Musk is contradicting himself. Despite advocating for an industry-wide halt to AI training, Elon Musk has reportedly kicked off a major artificial intelligence project within Twitter. The company has already purchased approximately 10,000 GPUs and recruited AI talent from DeepMind for the project that involves a large language model. One source familiar with the matter stated that Musk's AI project is still in its initial phase. However, acquiring a significant amount of additional computational power suggests his dedication towards advancing the project. The exact purpose of Twitter's generative AI is unclear, but potential applications include improving search functionality or generating targeted advertising content. At this point, it is unknown what exact hardware was procured by Twitter. However, Twitter has reportedly spent tens of millions of dollars on these compute GPUs, despite Twitter's ongoing financial problems, which Musk describes as an unstable financial situation. The GPUs are expected to be deployed in one of Twitter's 2 remaining data centers, with Atlanta being the most likely destination. Interestingly, Musk closed Twitter's primary data center in Sacramento in late December, which obviously lowered the company's computer capabilities. In addition to buying GPU hardware for its generative AI project, Twitter is hiring additional engineers. Earlier this year, the company recruited Igor Babushkin and Manuel Kreuss, engineers from AI Research DeepMind, a subsidiary of Alphabet. Musk has been actively seeking talent in the AI industry to compete with OpenAI's ChatGPT since at least February. Valued at over $30 billion, OpenAI's ChatGPT is so impressive that it started an AI race all over the world. OpenAI used NVIDIA's A100 GPUs to train its ChatGPT bot and continues to use these machines to run it. By now, NVIDIA has launched a successor to the A100, its H100 computer GPUs that are several times faster at around the same power. Twitter will likely use NVIDIA's Hopper H100 or similar hardware for its AI project. Considering that it has yet to determine what its AI project will be used for, it is hard to estimate how many GPUs it may need. When big companies like Twitter buy hardware, they buy at special rates as they procure thousands of units. Meanwhile, when purchased separately from retailers, NVIDIA's H100 boards can cost north of $10,000 per unit, which gives an idea of how much the company might have spent on hardware for its AI initiative. Specialized networks, large data storage, and supercomputers have long been used for computationally intense projects that require large amounts of data processing. With the rise of artificial intelligence and machine learning, there is an increased demand for these powerful computers and, as a result, processing power is rapidly increasing. As such, the growth of AI is inextricably linked to the growth in processing power of these high-performing devices. Mindful of the threats to security that are posed by supercomputers, a consortium of countries, including the US, Germany, and South Korea, developed the Wassenaar Arrangement, which restricts the sale of supercomputers that can be used for military purposes. Nonetheless, supercomputers can be found in most countries pursuing AI research.
AI is a very important and powerful capability that allows us to harness data in new ways to achieve tasks that were previously impossible.
AI has the potential to transform almost every sector of the economy and society. Its ability to analyze and process large amounts of data and to learn and adapt over time means that it can be used to improve decision-making, automate routine tasks, and create new products and services. In finance, AI can be used for fraud detection, risk assessment, and portfolio management. This technology can be used to analyze large amounts of data from various sources, such as transactional data, social media, and public records, to identify patterns and anomalies that may indicate fraudulent activity. By applying machine learning algorithms to historical data, AI can also learn to recognize new types of fraud and adapt to evolving fraud patterns. It can be used to analyze various factors, such as credit history, income, and other financial data, to assess an individual or company's creditworthiness and ability to repay loans or debts. Overall, the potential applications of AI are vast, but it's important to note that AI is not a silver bullet solution, and there are potential risks and challenges associated with its adoption. The potential negative impact of AI on employment is very much a valid concern. And Elon Musk isn't the only one sounding the alarm. A number of personalities and researchers have asked for the slowdown and regulation of this tech. AI is currently being regulated in various ways by different governments and organizations around the world, and it is likely that further regulations will be implemented in the future. AI systems rely on large amounts of data, and regulations such as the EU's General Data Protection Regulation and the California Consumer Privacy Act aim to protect individuals' data privacy rights. Some AI systems, such as those used in autonomous vehicles or medical devices, have the potential to impact human safety. Regulations may be implemented to ensure that these systems are safe and secure. As AI becomes more autonomous, there are concerns about who should be held accountable if something goes wrong. Regulations may be implemented to clarify legal responsibility and ensure that companies are held accountable for the actions of their AI systems. Many companies are getting into the AI race, as AI has the potential to transform the world and create new business opportunities. Some of the world's largest and most well-known tech giants, such as Google, Microsoft, Amazon, and IBM, are investing heavily in AI research and development, and are using AI to improve their existing products and services. In addition to these large tech companies, there are also many smaller startups and companies that are focused exclusively on AI. These companies are often more nimble and can move quickly to develop new AI applications and products. The AI race is driven by the potential benefits that AI can bring, such as increased efficiency, improved decision-making, and the ability to automate tasks that were previously done by humans. With Elon Musk at the helm, Twitter is for sure in the middle of the AI race. The company already uses the technology in some ways. Roughly 500 million tweets are sent each day. Manually identifying potential harmful content in such a huge number of tweets every day is not possible. That's why AI comes in handy. The automated algorithms can comb through millions and millions of tweets, and then flag inappropriate content for further review by the Twitter team. Twitter also utilizes AI to make subtle changes to improve user experience. One such example is cropping images on Twitter. Introduced in 2018, this feature uses AI to automatically crop photos using face detection. It then creates a thumbnail for the entire image. AI is also responsible for managing the tweets that appear on everyone's feeds. An AI algorithm predicts the tweets a user would like to see the most. Twitter uses natural language processing and tweet ranking algorithms to analyze thousands of tweets per second. Over time, it becomes better at predicting what tweets the user would find most interesting.